So part of the association of the fame and just the permanency of qi tonics in a lot of the, whether it's a Taoist or whether it's just someone who understands the tonic herbs and, and traditionally is using them in their diet, and, they take up this permanent spot. And I think it has a lot to do with like this idea that's just entrenched in Chinese philosophy and Taoist philosophy of humans being this bridge between heaven, sky, and earth. It's like Tian Ren Di, that's like that flow, and humans are the bridge there. And so when you look at that association there of the Jing, Qi, Shen, yes, there's Jing, Qi, Shen within the human body, and they're the three treasures that are represented within our body as well. However, they're in that, the yang of the heaven and sky, Tian's like there's like that Shen element, and then there's that, that second treasure, that middle treasure that's the bridge, is like it is in our body, the Qi, animating life. Humans, someone like represent and associate with that Qi, and then the yin of the earth is like that Jing, that's that physical essence that, just like houses the physical potential for all of this. And so it's kind of like, it just, that makes sense to me, and like long-term talking to a lot of people that have been in this path for a long time, and then, they're protecting their Jing, and they're, through their practices, they're working on their Shen, and they've got a nice momentum there for developing themselves and experiencing life, and then digesting life and learning from and going forth. Their Shen's evolving, and they're cultivating their Jing as they go along, because they're living sustainable lifestyles. But then there's this permanency of qi herbs like astragalus and cotinopsis and white atracalotes and poria that then just help them continue to cultivate qi within the organs, so that they continue walking that middle path, that integrative path, right? That path between heaven and earth. And it's one of the reasons why I'm like really loving these herbs, right?